welcome to Glittersallthat. Today I am going to create a no makeup look. So let's get started with the video.
To moisturize my face, I am using Pond's Super Light Gel as it hydrates the face very well without making it oily. Next I am going to use Biotique Bio Fruit Lip Balm to hydrate my lips before starting makeup. For primer, I am using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. It gives smooth finish and also gives a flawless base for makeup and also hides the blemishes. For foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. It is a medium coverage foundation. I am using a beauty blender to apply it evenly on my face. Next I am using both Maybelline Fit Me and Sugar Concealer. In Maybelline I am in the shade 25 Medium and in Sugar it's 30 Chocosino. When you use both the concealer, it gives such a good coverage. Now I am going to blend the concealer with the help of beauty blender. For setting the foundation and concealer, I am using Sugar Powder Play Banana Compact. It sets the makeup very well. For brows, I am using Miss Claire Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 03 Medium Brown. I am just going to fill the gaps only. Now with the help of spoolie, I am going to mix it very well. For mascara, I am going to use Maybelline Less Sensational Mascara. But before applying the mascara, I am going to curl my lashes as it really lifts the whole look. This mascara gives a really amazing length to the eyelashes. I am also going to apply it on my lower lashes. Now I am going to use Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Black for my upper waterline. And I am going to use Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Deep Brown for my lower waterline. For contouring, I am using Wet n Wild MegaGlo Contour Palette. Now for blush, I am using Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade 02 Cali, and since it is a no makeup look, I am using the plum shade to give more natural look. For lipstick, I am using Nykaa Creamy Matte in the shade Break a Leg. This is a very pretty nude shade and it's look very beautiful on me. So with this, we complete the no makeup look.
So guys, this is how the no makeup look turned out. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will be soon back with a new video. Till then, subscribe to my channel